an old saying that says that death begins in the colon. It might seem like an oversimplification, but it has a grain of truth to it. Your colon is home to billions of bacteria, and its functioning is important for the rest of the body to function well. Not only does it form the stool, these bacteria also absorb nutrients, control the pH balance, control hunger, and protect us from harmful organisms. Unfortunately, the combination of a nutrient-poor diet, antibiotics, and lack of fermented product consumption has created a great problem for the good bacteria that live in our intestines. Whenever we have digestive problems, such as constipation, the sediments build up in your colon and stick to the walls of your intestines. This residue, along with microorganisms and other toxins, ferment and travel along the bloodstream to the rest of your body. Then gas forms and your stomach bloats. Keeping your colon clean helps prevent several problems, such as fatigue, allergies, constipation, lack of appetite, excessive weight, and even bad breath. And how can you keep your colon clean? There are several known ways to detoxify your intestines. The first is a healthy diet, rich in fiber, greens, vegetables, fruits, and fermented foods. Our digestive system has the necessary mechanisms to eliminate the residue and toxins from your organism, the main one being through bowel movements. Studies have shown that bowel movements are important to remove bacteria from our body, as well as detoxifying ourselves from heavy metals and fatty acids. Detoxification can also affect our mood and have a positive impact on people who suffer from anxiety and chronic fatigue. The problem is that not all people's digestive system is in order, and they don't use the restroom regularly due to intestinal problems, allergies, antibiotics, excessive pesticide use, and digestive system inflammation. In these cases, many people turn to laxatives or enemas. Laxatives damage our intestinal flora and other organs, such as our liver, and get your body used to artificial bowel movements. Enemas, on the other hand, are great and work just fine, but must be used with caution since they could cause an anal fissure, infection, or other diseases. Great ingredients can be found in nature that can be combined and used to detoxify your colon. Today we're going to share some of these combinations. The ingredients in this recipe have cleansing properties. They are rich in antioxidants, vitamins A and C, and contain lots of water, which will help to expel the waste trapped in the intestinal walls. The juice also prevents the production of gas, which makes the cleaning easier. Plus, it's a diuretic, a quality that makes it an ally of those who are struggling against the scales. Here's how. Ingredients: 1 pineapple, 2 oranges, 1 cucumber, 1 apple, 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 2 glasses of water. Instructions: peel the pineapple and the apple and cut them into pieces. Peel the oranges too. Cut the unpeeled cucumber into slices. Remove the aloe vera gel from the leaf by peeling it and removing the sticky part of the plant. Put everything in the blender and add the 2 glasses of water. Blend well. Add the juice of 1 freshly squeezed lemon. It is recommended to drink 3 glasses of this juice a day, the first one being right after preparing the recipe. The rest can be stored in the refrigerator.